Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to extract either the numeric or text characters from an alpha-numeric text string. Now I'm going to show you two solutions to achieve this. The first of which is flash fill. Now this is very easy to use. In a column to the right of the column that you're going to extract characters from, you need to type in the pattern of characters that you want to extract. So the pattern here is the numeric characters. So I'm just typing in those numeric characters for that first value in column A. Then I need to use Control-Enter to confirm. That leaves me in the cell that I'm editing. And then Control-E to flash fill. So it's as simple as that. Now you may find that this works for your scenario, in which case that's fine. But if it doesn't, if your alphanumeric text strings are too complex for flash fill, you'll need to use the next solution. Now the next solution uses a function called REGEXEXTRACT, and this function is only available in Excel 365. It's very, very simple to use. Equals REGEXEXTRACT. Now the first argument is text. So where is the text we want to extract characters from? Well, that's over here in column B. Comma. Pattern. So this is where we establish the pattern of characters that we want to extract. Now our pattern is that they need to be numeric characters. Now the pattern needs to go in speech marks. So I'm going to put them in to begin with. And then the pattern that you'll use for this, very, very simple. It's backslash, lowercase d, and then plus. So that's dealt with the pattern argument, comma, return mode. Now the default for the return mode argument is first match. Now that'll mean it'll only return the first sequence of numbers, 1747. I also want to include the 89. So I need to select all matches. Now we don't need to worry about case sensitivity. So I'm just going to close the bracket and press enter. You can see it returns both of those values. Now to join these two numbers together so they appear in one cell, I need to use another function, and that function is text join. Now the delimiter is what you want to use to separate those two numbers. Now you might want nothing separating the two numbers, in which case your delimiter would be an empty text string. So that needs to go in quotation marks, nothing between the quotation marks. If you wanted a hyphen to separate the two numbers, you'd put a hyphen between the speech marks. If you want a space, you'd put a space. So let's put a space in. We then need to deal with this next argument, ignore empty, and you can in fact ignore that argument in this scenario. So we'll just put two commas. Then you need to close the bracket at the end, press enter, and it joins the two numbers in one cell. If I copy this down, that'll work for the other text strings. Now, if I want to extract the text characters from these alphanumeric text strings, I do something very, very similar. So all I do is I copy this, paste it in here, and just change this lowercase d in my pattern to an uppercase D, and that'll return the text characters. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.